Sometimes when I'm up here, I feel like I'm flying. I feel like a bird. You guys know birds? B-E-O-D. I feel like a bird. With its long, furry arms and its long, furry legs and its beautiful pecker. Oop. Covered in fur. Flap, flap, says the bird as he flies directly into the sun. You know, they say the oily bird gets the way. And the oily jack gets the laugh. You know, there's a bird called a booby. and there's another bird called a tit. I mean, what's next? Some perv gonna call a bird a vagina? Man, the acoustics in here are amazing. I can't hear anyone laughing tonight, but...